Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a winter drink from Egypt. It's called Hummus el Sham, which means chickpeas drink. Let's start. My ingredients are 2 cups of chickpeas. I soak them overnight. You can buy this from any supermarket in the international section or the Hispanic section. So it's very important to soak it overnight so that it becomes bigger and doesn't take a long time to boil. I have 4 tomatoes. I have 1 medium onion that I cut in half. I have 2 cloves of garlic. And then my spices are 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin, half a lemon, and optional chili powder. So I am going to add to the chickpeas, the onions, and the garlic. I'll give it a mix. These are going to add a nice flavor to our drink. So first I will add the onion and the garlic to give a taste. I will remove them at the end after it's cooked. Then I'm preparing here a grater to grate the tomatoes and add them at the end with the spices and lemon. And I will show you how to serve it. So I will start. The first step is to boil the chickpeas. The chickpeas will take 45 minutes to 1 hour on the stove to be cooked. This is a drink that they present in coffee shops in Egypt. There are 2 kinds of coffee shops in Egypt. There are the traditional ones where you can find in Old Cairo, in all areas, basically, they have them because it's for old people who go there and socialize and play backgammon. And there are also the Western style coffee shops for the younger generations. It's like Starbucks, Costa Cafe, European and American chain of coffee shops. This is more traditional, old drink that we had in Egypt for a long time. And especially in the winter, you will find it in all the traditional coffee shops. The chickpeas took exactly 45 minutes to be cooked. So right now I'm going to remove the onions and the garlic. And then I'm going to add the tomato that I grated. You can also use a food processor as you like. And I'm going to add the salt and cumin. And I'm going to squeeze half a lemon and give it a mix. And leave everything to boil together for 2 minutes. My chickpeas are now ready and I will show you how to serve it. We usually use glass mugs. Usually in the traditional coffee shops, they give you a bigger one, but that's the size I have now. And I'm going to just pour the chickpeas with the sauce in the mug. And then we usually put a spoon to eat the chickpeas and a straw to drink the sauce. My chickpeas are now ready, as you see, with the straw for you to drink the juice. It's supposed to be very good for the cold. And eat the chickpeas and enjoy. Please give it a try and let me know in the comments below how it goes. See you next time.